Hello everyone, today let's make a very delicious chaat. So this is sweet corn bhel assembled in a katori. I have prepared these katoris with whole wheat and besan and they are baked and then filled them with a very healthy sweet corn bhel. So let's start and do not forget to like, share and subscribe and watch till the end. In a bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Add 2 tablespoons of suji, semolina, 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon of kalonji and half a teaspoon of ajwain, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you want to add oil, that's also fine. Use your hands and knead a soft dough. Add water as required. After the dough is ready, cover it with a wet cloth and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. To make the katoris, I am using this silicone mold. You can also use a regular cupcake tray. Prepare the mold by greasing oil on them. Take small portions of the dough and then press them inside the mold as shown in the video. Try to make the layer as thin as possible so that they are very crisp when they are baked. Once they are ready, I'll bake them in a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you want to deep fry the katoris, take a steel bowl, small one, and then grease it from outside. Take a small portion of the dough and then put it over the katori. Hold the bowl using a tongue and then deep fry it on medium flame. Once it is fried, you can separate the katori. Now I am preparing a yogurt sauce for which I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt in which I have added 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar and then whisked it properly. For the sweet corn bhel, take 1 cup of sweet corn. Add 1 finely chopped onion, finely chopped fresh coriander, chopped tomatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sprouts, then 2 to 3 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds. Mix them properly. Add some peanuts. Add chaat masala, rock salt to taste. You can add any other masala and green chilies if you want. Please adjust the spices and salt to your taste. So these are my katoris baked, crisp and brown. I'm going to fill them with the corn bhel. Top with some prepared yogurt sauce, some green chutney and some sweet tamarind chutney. I'm adding a few pomegranate seeds and some chopped peanuts also, some bhujia or save. Please adjust the quantity of yogurt sauce and chutneys and spices according to your taste. I'll prepare the rest of the katoris as well. It would be best to fill them up just before serving them so that they do not become soggy and soft. Hope you all liked the recipe. Do hit the subscribe and like button. Also share with your family and friends and do press the notification bell icon for new video updates.